Hey glitter babes, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a pink, bright, sparkly eye look for you featuring the 35B Morphe palette. I just got this palette in the mail and I cannot wait to use all the bright pinks and blues and all these colors. Oh my god guys, look at this. All of these colors inspire me and I just love colorful eyeshadows, and I cannot wait to put this on my eye and create a look that you can create at home as well. To start off the look, I'll be priming my eyelids using the Milani concealer in the shade Fair and blending it out with a small beauty blender. Then I'm using a fluffy eyeshadow brush with this white shade from the 35B palette, and I'm placing it where we placed the concealer to set it. Then I'm using my Morphe M441 brush with this pink shade from the palette, and I'm placing this into my crease area, and I'm just blending back and forth in circular motions, just deepening up my crease. I would definitely recommend this brush. It's so good. I just got it and it's great for blending color into the crease. Then I'm using a fluffy brush and I'm going in with that slightly deeper pink shade, and I'm placing it right where we placed the other color in the crease. I'm going to be using a fluffy flat top brush with this neon shade from the palette, and I'm placing it on the outermost portion of my eyelid, just gradually building up that bright color. And then just bringing it in ever so slightly into the crease and the rest of the eyelid. With bright colors, you want to gradually build up the color because you don't want it to look too harsh. Then I'm going in with my Morphe M441 brush, just blending out any harsh lines. Then with that same flat top fluffy brush we were using, I'm going back in with more of that neon pink shade, just building up that color. Back and forth motions, and then I'm using this mauve shade with the M441 brush, and I'm putting that into the crease just to lighten up the shade. Now time for glitter. I'm going to be using this pink glitter eyeliner. As my favorite part of this look, the pink glitter. So this is going to make the look complete. We're going to place the glitter on the center of our eyelids, concentrating it on the lid and not the crease because we want to maintain that pink color on the crease. So we're just carefully placing that. I really love this glitter. It reflects so beautifully on camera, in person. I get so many compliments on this. Whenever I do a glitter look, I always use this glitter. It's good for eyeliner, it's great for cut creases, and it's safe to use on your eyes. So I'm going to be leaving the link for this in the description box down below, so check it out guys. I'm going to line my eyelid using the NYX Liquid Matte Eyeliner, and I'm making a wing. This eyeliner is perfect for creating wings because it's super easy to work with and it goes on so smooth and precise. I will leave the link in the description box if you want to purchase one for yourself. I would definitely recommend it. Now, time for concealer. I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, of course, and I'm blending it out with this new sponge that I got, the Highlight and Contour Sponge by Morphe. I absolutely love this sponge. It's so soft and it's really blendable. I would definitely recommend using this sponge. And now I'm going in with a flat top brush, and I'm taking this purple shade from the palette, and I'm placing it underneath the waterline just to complete the look. I think it needed that extra pop of color, so I'm going to place that underneath. I'm going to be going in with my Smashbox Super Fan mascara, and I'm placing the mascara on the upper and lower portion of my eyelid. Then I'm going to be lining my waterline with this LA Girl gel eyeliner in white. Then I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Shell Ivory. Then I'm going to be blending it out with my Morphe Highlight and Contour Sponge. Blending it all over, and don't forget the neck. Now I'm going to be contouring with my ABH contour kit in the shade Light Medium, and I'm using my A18 brush and also my e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm blending out that contour. Blend, 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 blend. Gotta love those contour faces. I'm going to be using my COTY AIRSPUN translucent powder to bake my contour, and I'm using a beauty blender just to place where we place the contour. Then I'm using a fluffy powder brush just to wipe away the translucent powder. Okay, time for highlight. I'm going to be using my ABH Moonchild highlighting glow kit with some Mario Basciatti ROSEWATER, of course. I'm spraying my brush and I'm going in with the pink heart shade, which is this beautiful iridescent pink, and I'm placing it right above the contour, and I'm also fanning it out with my fan brush and a little bit of my finger just to lighten up the glow because it's super intense. And I'm doing the same to the other cheek and right above the eyebrow. So beautiful. Love this glow kit. Then I'm going to be using my Hello Halo Wet n Wild liquid highlighter in the shade Halo Goodbye, which is so beautiful, and I'm placing this down the center of my nose and also my cupid's bow. And then I'm also going to place this underneath my brow bone just to give that beautiful highlight. For lips, I'm going to be using the NYX Liquid Lingerie Liquid Lipstick in the shade Baby Doll, and I'm placing this all over my lips. And then to place on the center, I'm using the same NYX Liquid Lingerie Liquid Lipstick, but in the shade Silk Indulgence. So this is the completed look. If you enjoyed this tutorial, leave your thoughts down below, give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. I make new beauty videos every week, and don't forget to tap that notification bell.